Good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. So, let's jump into pretty much what the market is showcasing today. So, we had some news at 8:30. We had housing start and permits at 8:30, jobless claim, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index, and import and export price at 8:30. We do have industrial production at 9:15, and we have Michael Barr speaking at 10, and we have a couple of speakers actually, and we also have a kind of like a packed schedule today. So let's see what the market presents. But jumping into pretty much the overall market, the news that came out as of right now, the market took a bit negative, but we're still holding pretty bullish. We're holding right below yesterday high day. So if we could hold above psychological level 530 and break this high day, I feel like we could still see some continuation higher. That's kind of like the vibe it's giving. But again, it wouldn't look bad if we actually chop around after such a big move yesterday, breaking all-time highs. If we have pretty much consolidation, I can't foresee like a pullback. But again, it all depends on what news, and again, the market has this way of surprising you. So just trading what the market tells you. But as of right now, we're holding right below yesterday high day. If we break this high day, I feel like we could see some nice continuation higher. QQ, very similar scenario. We broke yesterday intraday all-time highs, holding above. So if we could break this high day, it just look good for some nice continuation. The only thing is, yes, we gapped up above yesterday high day, but we're currently trading inside yesterday's price action, so we're actually pulling back in pre-market session. Look at Nvidia. So Nvidia, same as yesterday, is going to be my main watch for today. We are breaking out. We are it's pretty much on its way to all-time highs, and I feel like we could see some clean price action after a period of consolidation like we had. We broke out yesterday pretty much. I feel like there's a high probability we could see some continuation today. So when Nvidia is just being patient, letting price action tell me a story, but obviously I want to see us holding above pretty much this whole zone here. So we have pretty much yesterday high day, pre-market low, psychological low 950, and daily key level. So I want to see us above all those levels, and we're currently trying to pull back right now, but we're so above yesterday high day. So I just want to let price action tell me a story. I'm not really interested in taking it short unless we see some really clean price action to the downside, but obviously I want to take it to the long side today, because how the market's pulling back and everything. I'm not really interested in taking it off the open, so I want to be patient and let pretty much price action tell me the story. I did make a game plan with AMD as well. I just want to share it, but AMD, it's a bit tricky just because yes, we are very like we had 2 days of very bullish price action, and pre-market session we actually gap above, but it's very critical for us. For me to like AMD, I want to see us above pre-market high, and critical for us to hold above this daily key level. Because if we can look at the weekly here, as you can see, if we actually hold below, if we reject this, it actually looks decent for a potential bear flag. I mean, it has been showing some relative weakness compared to the overall market. So that's the thing. Yes, we can actually bounce, but for me to start liking this, I want to see us break this daily key level, which is actually a weekly key level as well. So yeah. The only reason I made a game plan, but again, my main focus is going to be with Nvidia, is because it's bullish price action yesterday. Really bullish price action, and in pre-market session gapping higher. But let's see what the market presents. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So if we start off with Nvidia. So with Nvidia, we are holding, like the market's currently pulling back. We're holding pretty nice. I want to see us above yesterday high day and above pretty much those 4 levels. So I want it above yesterday high day, pre-market low, and pretty much psychological level 950 and daily key level. If we could get above all those 4 levels, I feel like we could see a push to the pre-market high. And if we could break pre-market high, I feel like the door is open for a potential move to psychological level 960, 965, potentially this daily key level, psychological level 970, and potentially all-time highs. Can I see us breaking all-time highs? Especially how the market is reacting today, it's a bit difficult, but we could potentially test it. I mean, it's within our ATR. So let's see what the market presents. With this one, just being patient, letting price action tell me a story. And with AMD, again, I liked it. When I created this game plan, we were holding around this daily key level. So I honestly like the above pre-market high. This is the major daily key level that I want to see us above, close, like hold above, and show some really nice strength for me to be interested on potentially taking long. And because of this pullback, is pretty much. I did have a game plan, but again, as I said, my only focus is going to be on NVIDIA, and it's mainly because it broke out, and I personally like NVIDIA's price action. Yesterday my main focus was on NVIDIA, and I felt confident. Like I didn't feel like the urge to be chasing, looking at different stocks. I was just paying attention. My full attention was on NVIDIA, and I was able to read the price action pretty well, and hence be able to take a backseat and let price action tell me a story. And I did a really, really good job. So same scenario today. I want to let price action tell me a story, and see what the market presents. But that being said, that's pretty much a pre-market plan for May 16th. So always going to be patient, wait for good up to rise, and most of all going to follow our rule. Let's have an amazing day today.